So guys, we are going out tonight. It's a Tuesday. It's a happy Tuesday. We are going to my regular hangout spot, which is Jangas. Today is their anniversary. So a few of my friends are going, so I'm just gonna tag along. Even though I think I feel a little bit tired, but not that tired for me like not to go, because if I was like extremely tired, then I would definitely stay home. But we're just gonna do like a quick makeup. Of course, they do have attire for tonight, which is like cocktail attire. Guys, I need to wash my brush. I need new makeup. Like I need to like wash my brushes this weekend or probably tomorrow, just in case. But I don't have anything else planned for the rest of this week, but I do need to wash my brushes just in case, because I have sensitive skin too. Like I definitely don't want to break out. So that's the problem. We're gonna wash our brushes this weekend, and on my TV right now I'm watching Peyton Charles, her vlogs. She's pretty good. I think I've spoken about her already on my channel. I like her vlogs. When it comes down to my foundation, I just put minimal foundation, like small tiny amount of foundation. I'm still with this LA girl. Nothing is in it. Like I have some makeup in Amazon card, some elf concealer that I want to try, and I need to really check them out, and I haven't yet. I don't have Amazon Prime anymore, and I know like they have like Prime deals going on. Let me turn on the TV because I don't know if it's even load. Yeah, it's Amazon Prime Week, Prime deals. See, this is finished now. Like this is the last of it. This definitely is the last of it. What was I gonna say? Yeah, I don't even have Amazon Prime anymore, but I know my friend has it, so I don't know. I'm gonna see what's on sale to get some makeup stuff, and then probably borrow my friend Amazon account. If not, I just like order it from my account, or just buy some stuff makeup out here. Cause the prices of makeup isn't really bad. Well, it depends on what you're purchasing, but you know it will definitely be less possibly online. But just doing a quick beat. So moving on to 9, and I wanted to get there for 9:30, but I have to go all the way up the road to collect something from somebody first. So I'm gonna go there first, then I go to the party. So I'm probably gonna get to the party probably like 10. So I want to be out of my house by 9:15. So that is a plan. Want to be out of here by 9:15. So minimal makeup. That's what I'm doing. Very minimal makeup. But I hope you guys are doing well. I really wanted to like have a convo with y'all, like just talking about the whole the dating scene, because you know I am on the dating scene and it ain't pretty. It is really not pretty out there. It is definitely not pretty out there, y'all. But I don't really have much time to discuss that right now because I can move it fast. I want to get out of here ASAP. So it's like I don't really have time. I really don't have time. Gotta take care of my baby here. But I'm on the dating scene, and I've been like on a few dates with the same person, but separate and apart from that, I haven't been out on any other dates, to be honest. And that person that you know we hung out every now and then, we're definitely just friends. It's not gonna be anything. It's not gonna be anything past friendship based on what I realize, and that's okay. But what I don't understand, and I've respected that, you know, I've realized that definitely we're just gonna be friends, and he's somebody like pretty cool. I would definitely like have a friendship, so I want to keep the friendship with, because obviously the the hangout is not gonna, or relationship is not gonna move past friendships. So friendships are definitely bad, and I like when people are just upfront and honest. But the thing that I don't understand is people say they want to go out and dates and whatever, but they're not ready for a relationship. So like that's the part that I do understand. Why are we saying we want to date, we want to go outside, we want to date, but truly we are not ready for we're not ready for, my God, I really need to buy thing. We're not ready for a relationship. That part I really don't understand. And I think people, if they're not ready for like a relationship vibe, like don't go on a date. Like I think a date would be just a waste of time, to be honest. I think dates are a waste of time if you know you're not ready for anything at all. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's just like my 2 cents on it. If you're not ready, like, make no sense to go on a date. Or if you know you're, before you even go on a date, just make it be clear that, okay, yeah, I want to hang out with you, but I'm not ready for a relationship. So do you still want to go on this date with me? And then you leave that up to the person. You know what I'm saying? I think that would work. Yeah. So that's what's going on in this dating scene right now. All right, I need to finish my makeup. I don't really like baking. I'm definitely not gonna bake too. I don't like baking because I have dry skin. That's number one. I have dry skin, I have sensitive skin, so I don't think baking really does it for me. So I don't really bake. Let me put some powder, then I'm just gonna contour a little. So you're just doing a quick light makeup. By the way, y'all, I don't even know how my makeup looks right now, really, because the lighting isn't really lighting and my makeup brushes are dirty. They are extremely dirty. Contour. But yeah, so that's what I was saying. Like the crazy dating is just like you gotta be careful out there when you accept a date. You definitely gotta be careful out there when you accept a date, because child, everybody just wanna have fun. Nobody wants a relationship anymore. Everybody's just like for themselves, selfish and all of that. So definitely gotta be careful when you're outside or open to dating when you're ready to date. You definitely gotta be careful. All right, guys, I am gonna just finish this phase as quickly as I can, and then I'm still in my head, I'm still contemplating what to wear. I have like a skirt, a 2-piece set skirt, and I also have like a dress. So I don't know, I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear. So let's see.
It's for somebody special. Yeah, can't wait it out tonight.
Let's see, guys. Anyways,
baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah, can't believe it's so. Yeah, 20 nights been so. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah, girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know.
Alright, we're just gonna line our lips right now, and I'm gonna put on my clothes, and then after I'm gonna put on my lip gloss. I'm just gonna wear lip gloss. Like, I can't bother with the colored lips. Worse, I don't know what I'm wearing. I'm just always like a simple person. I should have rubbed off this gloss that I have on. Let's go figure out what we're gonna wear. Guys, so we are all dressed. I was gonna wear like a black dress, but I changed. So now I'm wearing this top and skirt, and we're wearing our wedge here and our bag. Yeah, this is the vibe that we're on right now. Y'all, I really need a longer mirror. Yeah, so this is the vibe that we're working it. This is literally my cocktail. Like, the dress wasn't working, and you know, based on my hairstyle and stuff, I needed something, you know, I think like a skirt would do. The dress that I had on, it just wasn't working with my hairstyle. I wish I had like probably like a loop earring or a bigger earring, but I only have like the knobs right now. I don't have no earring. The one that I have that would work, it's kind of heavy, so we're not doing that. But yeah, I like the cute fit, and I'm sure not a lot of people are gonna dress in cocktail because it's Jangas. Everybody's just gonna just dress regular, normal. Yeah, this is the fit. I will catch you guys. Well, I need to go pick up the thing that I need to pick up, and on to Jangas. Guys, so we are here, so let's go inside and have a ball. Yep.
Have a good time. Here we go.
So we're home. The event was alright. Yeah, just went there, met a few of my friends. I got there actually pretty late. I got there probably like 10:30 something, because remember I had to pick up something. So I got there that time. Well, I don't think it's late. I got here at a pretty good time. It's just a little bit after midnight, so I just out for like literally 2 hours. I'm just trying to take off these jewelry and remove makeup, do our little skincare, wash our feet, wipe our little feet, and yeah, going to bed. Tomorrow, I am going down to the port terminal to collect some stuff that I got from overseas, but that's gonna be like a long day. I'm not working tomorrow. I had to take the day off. Anytime we're going down the port terminal, what we call it in Jamaica, the wharf, anytime you are going down that side, y'all, it's a whole day thing. So have the appointment with the company who received my stuff at 8 a.m. So that means I need to leave out from my house by, I don't know. How far? Well, school is out, so there shouldn't be much traffic on the road. So I wonder if I may have to I think I should leave out by 7 a.m. Leave out by 7 and I should get there. Yeah, I think I should get there at a decent time. And so I can just try to get done quickly, because it's gonna be such a whole day. I'm dreading. Anyways, this is the end of our vlog. Y'all, I will catch you another time. Just need to get rid of this. This is not, why this bracelet not coming off? Oh my god. What is happening? Oh. I'm about to take it off. What am I doing? Yeah. It is such a struggle. I need to remove my makeup.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just